On April 10th, Samsung is launching a few new A series phones and the Galaxy A90 is also expected to launch that day. In fact, if it launches, then it would be the best phone to launch at the event since it is going to be a different kind of phone from the company. Now there are still some confusions with the name, as some leaks even suggest that the name would be Galaxy A80 in some markets. Whatever the case is, some more details of the phone were shared by a user on Weibo, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this particular video. First thing first, the Samsung Galaxy A90 would be a premium mid-ranger from Samsung. So it would have top of the line specifications and a premium and unique design. As we are talking about the design, one thing that is confirmed already is the fact that the phone has a notchless Infinity display. So what is that now? Well, I guess you know how the already launched A series phones look like. They all have displays with V or U-shaped notches. With the Galaxy A90, we would see a notchless Infinity display, which means an edge-to-edge bezel-less design with no cutouts at all. So I think the design from the front would be even better than the Galaxy S10 series due to the lack of any cutout or hole in the screen. Second thing that we know about the design is the pop-up camera mechanism. Now most of you will say that we already have a lot of phones with pop-up cameras. Well, the Galaxy A90 has a unique pop-up plus rotating camera system, which means that there is a single camera setup that pops up and that can be then rotated to take either selfies or normal rear camera shots. So yes, this is something that sounds cool and we would know more about this at the launch itself. Now coming to the specifications that were shared by a user on Weibo, the Samsung Galaxy A90 has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen and it is powered by the 8nm Qualcomm SDM7150 processor. Now the official name of this processor is not yet known, and looking at the part number, it is certainly not a processor that has already launched. So maybe the Galaxy A90 would be the first phone to launch with this processor. It is an octa-core processor with 2 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and rest of the 6 cores at 1.7 GHz. Some sources suggest that this processor can be considered as a low-end version of the Snapdragon 855, so that's interesting. There is a 3700 mAh battery and the phone supports 25-watt fast charging as well. Moreover, there is sound on display technology, which means the whole display acts as a speaker. This technology produces sound through vibrations, and a similar technology is there on the LG G8. Talking about the cameras, the user revealed that there is a triple camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel f2.4 secondary camera, and finally a third time-of-flight sensor. The phone is 9mm thick and weighs over 200 grams. Finally, the Galaxy A90 will be priced around $559 to $645, at least for the Vietnamese market. Now it cannot be said if all these leaked specifications and the pricing are correct, so consider them with a pinch of salt. What are your expectations with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A90? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.